So I want you to, you hear this thing running right now?
Yeah.
Put your hand over the top of that. You feel that?
Yeah.
That air should be warm.
Oh, yeah.
It's cold right now.
So it's not producing anything for the system.
That's what it sounds like. Normally you can hear that compressor running. I want you to show these pressures, but I want to take a screenshot so I can show the customer what's going on. Most of the time your leak's going to be, this is your first line of defense, these valves right here.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, just jam it on there and screw it down. That's your first line of defense, are those valves.
Yep.
Those leak, but most commonly the leaks usually occur in the coil up top. All right. Go ahead, take this disconnect out. There you go, set it on top. Or actually, you can flip it upside down and put it back in. And it won't energize. There you go. You just close it. Oh, like this. Sometimes you can actually see the leak out here if there's a leak. If it's obvious. You can see the coil.
The oil will be leaking.
You'll see that, yeah, the coil will be wet. You can look down inside and see, do you see any oil in there anywhere? Around the compressor or any of the joints, anything like that? No. Can't. Let's see. What's... Yeah, I might have to. I want to get up in there, ma'am, and take a look if that's okay.
Sure. Probably need it.
Yeah, I'll go get it. Right there. I unplugged it.
Okay.
Go ahead and take some of these screws out. Get the drill.
Okay.
You look around here. You see anything that's wet, oily? There's no filter dryer on this.
Take these out, bud.
So today we're using the TRITECTOR. This thing can detect trace gas, combustion gas, or refrigerant. Combustion gas, you use the red tip. Trace gas, I believe, is the yellow. Today, we're trying refrigerant. So we got a condenser that's got negative pressure. Well, it's got no refrigerant in it. So I came in here. Picking up a leak on this coil. Gives you audio and visual. Go ahead and record this with your phone for me, please.
Record what?
This meter going off. See how it's corroded down there in that coil?
Yeah. Got it. Send it to him.
Okay. I'm gonna drop this down to medium, see if I can pick anything up. It's not. Yep, there it is. Refco TRITECTOR. Get you one. Yeah, I've had this on my van for like a year. It's the first time I used it. I usually use the field piece or the What's that one Walter sent me? It's a Elitech. Works pretty good. All right. Yeah, it's made by Elitech. So get this back together and go talk to the customer. See what you want to do.